Hello everyone, welcome to our maths class. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how to solve multi-step equation. Previously, we have solved one-step equation and two-step equation. In this video, we have done with multi-step equation. Here are some rules how to solve a multi-step equation. So here are some rules to solve multi-step equation. Rule first is distribute to get rid of parentheses. Combine like terms on each side separately. Move variables to one side and undo multiplication or division. So we have examples here. Let's dive into the examples and solve this. So we have a parenthesis here. So by applying our first rule, distribute to get rid of parentheses, I'm gonna distribute this parenthesis. So 6 times x is 6, x plus 6 times 1 is 6. Now I'm gonna bring the rest of the equation. 2x equals 5x plus 9. So applying our second rule, combine like terms. So we have 2x and 6x which are like terms. So we have to add these terms. 2x plus 6x will give us 8x plus 6 is equals to 5x plus 9. We have to undo this 6 here. To undo this 6, I'm gonna minus this 6 from both of the side, because whatever we do to one side we have to do to the other side. So if I minus this 6 from both of side, it will give us 8x, and 6 is cancel out if we add this, because they are in plus and minus. So here 5x and 9 minus 6 will give us 3. So here our equation is from 8x equals 5x plus 3. So here we have 5x here to the left side of the equation. So we have to undo this 5x to solve the value of x. So I'm gonna subtract 5x from both of the sides here. So here if we subtract 5x from 8x, it will give us 3x, and here 5x and 5x will cancel out. So 3x is equals to 3. So 3x is equals to 3. If we see carefully the equation, 3 times x. So if we want to find the value of x here, we have to undo this 3. So here these two terms are in multiplication, so we have to apply reverse operation, which is division. So I'm gonna divide this side by 3 and this side by 3 also. So 3 and 3 will cancel out. So x is equals to 3 over 3, which is give us 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So x is equals to 1 is our correct answer. If we want to verify that our answer is correct or not, we have to plug this value to the initial equation, which is here. So I'm gonna do this. So if I put 2 times x means 1 plus 6 times x, 6 parentheses x means 1 plus 1 equals 5x plus 9. So here we have to solve both of these both of these sides. If both sides are equal, then our answer is correct. It is verified here. So here I'm gonna multiply this by 1, because the value of 1 is because the value of x is 1 here. So here if I multiply 2 times 1, it will give us 2, plus if I add under these parentheses 1 plus 1 is 2, and 6 times 2 is 12. So here the left side of the equation is 2 plus 12, which is 12, which is 14. I'm gonna solve this right side of the equation. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 9. So if we add these two terms, 9 plus 5, it will become 14. So 14 and 14s are equal. It is verified that our answer is correct here. So moving forward to the next question. So let's jump into our next examples. Here we have 4x minus 2 in parentheses x minus 3 and parentheses equals 6x plus 8. So let's solve this step by step. So I'm going to rewrite it here. 4x minus parentheses x minus 3. So if we apply distributive property here, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times 3 minus 2 times minus 3 gives us plus 6 equals 6x plus 8. So here are two like terms, which are 4 and minus 2x. If we subtract these two terms, it will give us 2x plus 6 is equals to 6x plus 8. So we have to undo this 6. So to do this, I'm going to subtract 6 from both of this side here. So if I subtract 6 from 6, it will be cancel out each other. So 2x is equals to 6x, and 8 minus 6 gives us 2. So here we have 2x and here we have 6x. So we have to undo this 6x to find the value of x. So I'm gonna subtract minus 6x from both of the side to undo this 6x. If I subtract 2x minus 6x, it will give us minus 4x is equals to, here's minus 6x and plus 6x will cancel out. So minus 4x is equals 2. So here we have minus 4 times x. So to undo this minus 4, we have to subtract this equation by 4. So whatever we do one side, we have to do the same to the other side. So here minus 4 and minus 4 will cancel out. So x is equals to 2 over minus 4. So if we solve it, it will give us, if we reduce this equation by dividing 2, it will give us 2. 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So here 1 over minus 2 is our answer. We can easily write it like this, minus 1 by 2. So here it is our correct answer.